Hello all, welcome to the Xodus debut vlog. I'm so excited to share this vlog with you guys because it was just an amazing time. It really exceeded all of my expectations, which were already high, and I just love breakfast parties. And while I'm not home for soca season this year, this is the one fete that I was home for, and I'm so glad that I was with the Xodus family because I'm just happy. It's like bare vibes all around, and the party was just fantastic, and I love breakfast parties, so I think this might go down as one of my favorites that I've ever been to. So our day started around 7 AM when we woke up, got ready, had a little breakfast, and we probably left around 8:30 AM to go to UE. We're trying to wait to see if the rain was going to calm down a bit. It was drizzling, but once we realized that the weather was sticking, we embraced it and we ran with it. We reached to UE around 9 o'clock. How are you feeling, Isabel, in your beautiful yellow shirt?
Stop it.
Mailer, how are you feeling for your first breakfast party?
So ready. Should get away from the sun.
That's
lucky.
true. Everything was honestly so easy. Parking, getting banded, there was no line, they were moving so fast, and they had burrito and true juice fans and the little visors at the beginning, and it was so great. And honestly, I grabbed them because I know how humid it can get even with the rain, and I was so thankful to have that throughout the fight. That visor that they had was a lifesaver. Sayan was wearing it the entire time, and it was literally just a mini umbrella for her head, and it was like her makeup didn't run at all. So the first thing we did when we entered the fete was obviously go straight to the food, naturally. How's it, CJ?
Bro, stop acting like you never eat in your life.
So many options, and honestly I couldn't choose, but we stuck with the Grace line, and I'm so glad that we did. They had such great Jamaican breakfast options, and the soup, honestly. Once we had our stomachs lined and we're all ready to fete, we entered the fete and got some drinks. The drinks were flowing and Xodus had it. Personally, my drink for the day was red rum and pineapple, of course, true juice. The bar was so easy to get drinks. The service was honestly so good, but they also had so many options. I mean, the red stripe bar was so beautiful. Catherine got this little mug that I honestly wish I had. It definitely was an amazing time, and everyone just had such good vibes. I think it was a great start to the weekend and just the carnival season in general. This debut breakfast party is kind of like the beginning of Jamaica carnival season, and I think they did such an amazing job transitioning this carnival season to Jamaica. So they had a good mix of like old soca that we would know and be familiar with, and you know, the nostalgia, but also the new soca from Trinidad that we'd be hearing on the road. So they honestly knew exactly what they were doing. 10 out of 10. The music was fantastic.
It was at this moment that she knew.
Rain can really make or break a fete, and it definitely made the fete, even though Xodus had vibes to begin with. I feel like everyone there kind of just embraced the rain and celebrated it almost. I mean, it was kind of beautiful. Honestly, I feel like when it's raining at a fete and everyone kind of embraces it, you don't really care about how you look. I mean, the wet wipes definitely came in handy. That was a pro tip if you read my blog post. I was able to touch up my makeup if I needed to. Overall, I think I had the time of my life.
What a nice one! Game prepared. Make sure you guys come prepared to park.
Beats by DJ Queen.
Why is this the most chaotic thing in the world? Okay guys, how was the party?
It was so good.
John, how was the party?
Yo, Jesus Christ.
Sam's gonna drop me home because I'm not sitting in my wet clothes and getting sick, and then when I go back to Canada they're gonna think I have coronavirus. Because it's flu-like symptoms. So
Quarantine, not nice.
quarantine isn't nice, we're avoiding that. Sam, how was the fete?
Good.
This is March 21st.
Did you enjoy it even though there was rain?
I enjoyed it because there was rain.
Best part of 2020 the people.
Overall, it was an amazing time, and I'm so sad that I'm not going to be home for Carnival season. I think this really set the season on a high note already, and I can't wait to see what Xodus brings to the table. I mean, I'll be watching from afar in Canada. I won't be jumping this year, but next year, nah, miss me again, and I'm so excited to see what's in store for just Jamaica Carnival in general.
Okay, so we're here with Kamal, back in the chairman of Carnival in Jamaica, and I just wanted to ask you what's new for Carnival 2020?
Carnival 2020 is going to be bigger and better than 2019.
Yeah.
More pets, bigger bands, amazing music, and logistics, and betting, and everything to your heart's content.
I won't be here, but I'm excited, and I'll be here next year.
You're fired! No, here's the deal. Sarah, you cannot miss Carnival. Who are you?
Stress.
Stop, Miles Guy, stop it.
I wasn't at debut last year, but I'm so glad that I was able to catch it this year, and it really exceeded all of my expectations, which, as I said, were already high. Make sure just don't miss you next year. Xodus definitely knows how to throw a breakfast party, and I can't wait to see what more is in store.